How to install Shotcut on Ubuntu Linux. Shotcut is a free, open-source, cross-platform video editor. Major features include support for a wide range of formats, no import required meaning native timeline editing, Blackmagic design support for input and preview monitoring, and resolution support to 4K. In other words, Shotcut makes support for many audio and video formats one of its main strengths. Created with some of the most important open-source technologies, such as Qt or FFmpeg with Shotcut, we will have a professional editor within reach of many people. Features of Shotcut. Supports latest audio and video formats thanks to FFmpeg. Supports popular image formats such as BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, SVG, TGA, TIFF, WebP, as well as image sequences. No import required, native timeline editing. Multi-format timeline, mix and match resolutions and frame rates within a project. Frame-accurate seeking for many formats. Audio scopes, loudness, peak meter, waveform, spectrum analyzer, webcam capture. Codec independent, so does not rely on system codecs. Can run as a portable app from an external drive. Cross-platform support, available on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Shotcut is a software that provides very good support for Linux. And Ubuntu, which is the most popular distribution, can't be left behind. Therefore, there are several ways to perform the installation. Install Shotcut using the Ubuntu Software Center. Ubuntu's application shop is one of the most complete that there is. In it, we can find many different applications to take full advantage of our system. So, you can open it from the main menu of Ubuntu. Then in the search field, type Shotcut and choose the best result, which in this case is the first one. When you click on the result, you will see detailed information about the package. Start the installation by clicking on the Install button. Then you can run the program from the main menu. This is the interface. You can go ahead and explore it. There are other methods to install Shotcut like Snap and Appimage. Steps are given in the description below to refer. The Shotcut software is a high-performance video editor with support for many formats. This makes it ideal for many video professionals and enthusiasts to try it out and find many alternatives to proprietary tools and open-source software. We want to know about you. Have you used Shotcut? Do you like it? Or are you familiar with it? Leave us a comment and share our video.